Hello everyone, this is a session on General Aptitude and let's continue with the PYQ series. A surveyor has to measure the horizontal distance from her position to a distant reference point C. Using her position as the center, a 200-meter long, 200-meter horizontal line segment is drawn with the two endpoints A and B. Point ABC are not collinear. Each of the angle CAB and angle CBA are measured as 87.8 degrees. The distance of the reference point C from her position is nearest to. Options are given below. Okay, now surveyor, let it be P. This is the position of the surveyor. She has to measure a distant point C. So this distance X is to be found. And it is also said that a line is drawn, that is AB, with P as the center. And it is also given that the line AB is 200 meters. Now we get that this distance is 100 meters and again this distance is 100 meters. It is also said that angle CAB and angle CBA is 87.8 degrees. Now we'll find distance X, that is, consider triangle CAP. So what is tan of 87.8 degrees? That is opposite side by adjacent side, X by 100, or X equal to 100 into tan 87.8 degrees, which is equal to 2603 meters. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Sequence the following sentence PQRS in a coherent passage. P. Shifu student exclaimed, "Why do you run since the bull is an illusion?" Q. Shifu said, "Surely my running away from the bull is also an illusion." R. Shifu once proclaimed that all life is illusion. S. One day when a bull gave him chase, Shifu began running for his life. So write this sentence in correct sequence. That is, first is Shifu once proclaimed that all life is illusion. Second statement, one day when a bull gave him chase, Shifu began running for his life. Third statement is, Shifu's student exclaimed, "Why do you run since the bull is an illusion?" Fourth is, Shifu said, "Surely my running away from the bull is also an illusion." So the answer is RSPQ, option A. Next question. If the arrow mark indicates increasing order of intensity, then the meaning of the words charm, enamor, bewitch is analogous to bored, dash and vary. So from the options you have to fill in the blanks. That is similar to the word bored and vary. Vary again means feeling tired. So we'll see the options one by one. Baffled means confused. Jaded means feeling tired or bored. Then worsted. Worsted means defeated. Next, dead. We all know that dead, not alive. So what is the correct answer? Option B, jaded. Next question. Two identical sheets A and B of dimension 24 cm and 16 cm can be folded into half using two distinct operations, FO1 and FO2. In FO1, the axis of the folding remains parallel to the initial long edge, and in FO2, the axis of the folding remains parallel to the initial short edge. If sheet A is folded twice using FO1 and B is folded twice using FO2, the ratio of perimeters of the final sheets of A and B is. Options are given below. Okay, here it is said that there are two identical sheets, A and B. These are identical. This is A and this is B. And its dimensions are given as 24 by 16. Okay. Next it is said that FO1 operation is done in sheet A and FO2 operation is done in sheet B. What is FO1 operation? That is, this sheet is folded twice using through this axis, that is axis which is parallel to the long edge. This is the longer edge. Okay, in FO2, this is the axis where this axis is parallel to the shorter edge, this edge. Okay, and it is also said that FO1 operation is done twice. That means this sheet is folded twice. So when it is folded, we can see that this length remains the same, but the width, it becomes half, 16 by 2. And this operation is again done, that is folded twice. Folded twice. So it becomes again half, that is it becomes equal to 4. So the new sheet would be of the dimension 24 by 4. Again, in sheet B also FO2 operation is done, and that is also twice. So when it is folded, this breadth remains the same. What happens to the length? First, during first folding it becomes half. Again during second folding it becomes again half, that is 24 by 4, that is 6. So the new sheet would be 16 by 6. Okay. Now what is to be found? We have to find the perimeter and take the ratio of the perimeters. Okay. So this is the first sheet, sheet A, that is 24 by 4, sheet A. Now what would be the perimeter? Perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, which is equal to 2 into 24 plus 4, that is 28 into 2, that is 56. In the second, this is the sheet B. Now it becomes 16 by 6. So its perimeter, this perimeter can be taken as 1, this perimeter can be taken as 2, that is 2 into 16 plus 6, that is equal to 44. So we'll take the ratio of the perimeter as P1 by P2 equal to 56 by 44. This is 11, 14. So the ratio is P1 is to P2 equal to 14 is to 11. This is the correct answer. Next question, for a real number 1 by log x to base 2 plus 1 by log x to base 3 plus 1 by log x to base 4 equal to 1, find the value of x. So here we'll use a property, that is log a to base b. If we take the reciprocal, it becomes 1 by log b to base a, that is this two get interchanged. Okay, so what happens here? 1 by log 2x, while taking the reciprocal it becomes 1 by 2 log 2 to base x. Okay, plus next term becomes log 3 to base x, and the third term becomes log 4 to base x, which is equal to 1. Now we'll use another property here, that is we know that log a plus log b is log a into b. So here it becomes log 2 into 3 into 4 to base x, and that is given as 1, that is log 24 to base x is 1. Okay, now again another property is applied here, log y to base x. If log y to base x is z, then what is y? Y is equal to this base raised to z, that is base x raised to z. Here 24 is equal to base x raised to this 1. So we get that x is equal to 24. C is the correct answer. Now this is a question of the day. 5 years ago, the ratio of Aman's age to his father's age was 1:4, and 5 years from now the ratio will be 2:5. What was his father's age when Aman was born? Comment your answer below. Thank you.